Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, new information has been brought to the light in the police investigation into the death of beloved Clarendon vlogger Lee Gates. Now, it has been said that this information is now in the possession of law enforcement and major arrests will be made. Now, it is said that Lee Gates was also not the main target, but played a role by collecting funds from Western Union. Let me continue to go on the content reasoning. Look, and of course, more you listen.
Lee Gates dead now, people. Cry for Lee Gates, people. No. Lee Gates, goodness make him dead, people. And you can't blame him, say, yo, I'm gonna stop no good now, people, but Lee Gates kind heart make him dead, people. Lee Gates willingness to help people make him dead. That's why I have to big him up more, people, and do him dead. Because guess what now, people? Lee Gates has spurred the local youth now, people. The local youth now can't clear certain money, people. So, but Lee Gates, I'm friend. So I come to Lee Gates and say, Lee Gates, you go on now. You know, say, one of my brothers them send some money from foreign for me. You go on now. You're good with the Western Union, them. I can't send in any name. Lee Gates, how are you, mama, daddy, man? Help you, man. Send the money on my name, because Lee Gates around on TV station, I didn't think people. Yes, this is boom, people. And you come check Lee Gates and say, Lee Gates, listen me. I have some money come for me about, you don't know, I can't clear it. I can't send to any name. And Lee Gates, how are you, man? Just do the do, man, because you know me, I'm bridging. So Lee Gates kind of make him dead of people. Not that me tell you, you have to stop kind of this, you know. Lee Gates kind of make him dead, people. So people, Lee Gates is a boom now. I said, send the money in my name. I'm buying the people. Lee Gates certificate dollar out of the money in the people. Lee Gates do the thing of I'm kind heart people. Now me get money. I don't know what money come from. My brother come call me and say I beg me clear a money for him. So people, Lee Gates do some boom now. I'm going to Western Union and go pick up the money for the youth. And give the youth the money, people. And you know, so the youth has a Lee Gates, what a 10 pack. And Lee Gates said, nah, man, because you don't know. You have to come check me for money. I'm glad they get your money. Because as I'm telling the people, Lee Gates are one of the kindest youth we ever book. Here we're going with Lee Gates now. So, the boy get the money now, people. I want to make Lee Gates 10 grand of people. Lee Gates said, nah, man, I want your man. Go use the money and go buy some food and take care of your family, man. Because Lee Gates don't know where the money come from. So people, Lee Gates go about in business. You understand? But you know how it go already. The boy, when the boy dead now, the boy say, sure, some of the money for your friend. I say, yo, man say, daddy, but just say I couldn't clear money. And the man said, no, man, Lee Gates will be cleared for me, man. And Lee Gates cleared the money for me. So the boy now, people, a shutter, you know. But you know, go already, people. Everybody they run shutter. See, but Andrew Wallace tell us, say, him have gunman friend, people. If the Prime Minister tell us, him have gunman friend. Oh, but Lee Gates, what the promotion about the party. He might have two little friends who are in some ranks, but I know him in the ranks. If Andrew Wallace tell up on plain TV the other day, say, him have gunman friend. Which we already know, say, a politician control gunman. Use them and then say, go kill them after. And the gunman them still are hear that. The gunman them say, wait. I don't say no use Jim Brown and no try to kill Jim Brown. I don't say no use Starkey and no kill Starkey. I don't say no use Soul Lucky a Crampton and end up turning and go kill Soul Lucky. I don't say Babs the Great said and by Babs the Great kill Batman. People are the politicians are there for them. So that's why I say when I run the place, people are different things. Me turn people into business people, entrepreneur. Lee Gates now, people. So you're Lee Gates dead, people, for kindness. So the boy, after him done share some money with him friend and people, out of the same money in the people, the boy got pay an imported man figure kill another youth what him and him in a war. I look a man a foreign and him in a war. So like the man was that foreign send down the local money people. And so him get the money from the man, him rate the man and say, what the boss, him can deal with it. And the boss said, you can't deal it for me. And the man said, all right. Boom. Set down some extra money. And Lee gets to clear the money for the youth people. Without willing and checks on the youth to big up in family, or the youth to take care and pity them. Because the youth have youth, you know. But the boy go take the money, some of the money out of it, and go pay an import if you go slap her another shatter. Or probably an innocent youth. I don't know if the youth a shatter, I don't know if I'm innocent youth. I just tell you how I get the story. I want to know where the emperor get for him story people. I pay for my story. Say my story not come in good. Youth, give me back my money. Youth, come here. Come here, come here. What you say? You know about Lee gets killing? Wait about emperor, I know about it. Say a 5,000 I want a 5 grand. How kill Lee gets? Why emperor know say me years say? Why my years say? Say another 5 grand a man tell me say no. Yeah, but emperor, you know say me know how kill Lee gets. Yo, the boy Ray sent down some money from foreign, you know. And when him send down the money from foreign, the boy never have no documents to clear the money, and through him and Lee gets a friend, him go to Lee gets here and beg Lee gets a favor. You understand? And the boy beg Lee gets clear the money, and the boy same day Lee gets 10 grand, and they say, yo, Lee gets a good youth, you know, because Lee gets 10 grand out of the money, Lee gets 7 no one the money, I forgot take care of my pitney. And then the boy come on and give away money out of the money in a emperor. But the boy take the money what the big man send him and pay and look at import the boy from down Mobile, forgot slap with the youth and then send back the youth and Mobile. So I say, what the youth name? Boy, emperor, I think him name Wishy-Washy. The youth said that 5,000 there, 15 grand that they get, you know. Don't ramp with me. What the youth name? Boy, I think him name emperor. Remember him name? Yo, it's a 5,000 about don't ramp with me. Oh, him name Ray emperor. Yes, son. And him boom bam emperor. And him mother and him granny deliver on a Ray emperor. I say, alright, you sure? I say, emperor, what do you? I say, yo, make sure your story good enough. Because you see, if your story not good, remember I'm the emperor. Me have links with police and thief. And remember, you go want more where that coming from. See, a fat clump you have more. Yeah. Yeah, but emperor, what the emperor swear up my granny dog, I'm a puss up my dog, that story make you a real emperor. I'm a fat emperor, say a number, you call a number, ya. The boy now send go kill the youth people. I don't know if the youth innocent. I don't know it go because I never ask about the part there. Me go and know how Lee gets dead. And me want to know who kill Lee Gates. I want to know what's the circumstance make Lee Gates dead. If Lee Gates they mix up. Because sometimes a man might mix up and you don't know any people. So you want to know if you got defend a man, you want to know how to defend him. That's why some liar, you know. Them take your money and then make you steal it up a prison. Because the liar, them not going to investigate nothing. Liar just sit down in them office and when court date alone, enough liar got prison, you know. They got court, you know. That's why enough of them clients end up a prison. Enough of them liars are wicked. But anyway, people. So I talk to wishy-washy people and run my money and I run my phone call them and I find out how wishy-washy say people. It makes sense. A motherfucker make dollars. 40,000 people it make. So Lee Gates now people no know nothing where you go on. Lee Gates no know nothing where you go on people. Lee Gates kindness people. So Lee Gates got clear the little money for the youth and give the youth and the youth get Lee Gates 10 grand people and Lee Gates say no man gonna take care of your family because every time you come check me for money when you're broke and hungry. Because through Lee Gates know the little youth people before the little youth turn shatter. Lee Gates know the youth before the youth go say my turn shatter. So Lee Gates and him a friend long time people. Same like how Andrew Woolley say, him enough shatter grow and him enough Godman a friend until today. So like Andrew Woolley say that, he not tell a lie. I saw it go, but some politicians are going to admit it. That's why I tell you sometimes I like Andrew Woolley, you know. But sometimes when him go out stopping this, you know, me just want to lick him on him look a country, big nose, country pepper nose, you know. So Andrew Wallace people have a time when I'm good. I don't know if I clone the Prime Minister and the people. Because I feel like I clone Andrew Wallace, you know. And I look a bit at the truthful DNA still in him, you know. Because you know, so the man come from China back people. Not even his wife to a smile with him two people. You notice when the wife walk with him, she not walk with him like a wife. Some people say, Emperor, you share thing about man. But I said, no, man, I don't share thing about man. Andrew Wallace are clone people. We don't know if I kidnap Andrew Wallace for them there people. We have to go kidnap the so-called Prime Minister and the people and test him DNA, you know, for one day if him are the real Prime Minister or him are the clone, because them China boy people. Let me tell us about them China boy. Them China boy are bad like Bin Laden birthday party. Them China boy were invited to dinner people and give some things and junk you. And when you junk people and knock out them, take you away and put in back the clone and say send the clone to Jamaica. We program the clone. Because how glad Don said, man, would I know say him a Prime Minister and gonna lick down people house innocently and kick people out of them house and him himself go up on the ground go do it. You tell a Prime Minister say, yo, Christopher Toughcran, go do the crime.
Now, based on what P0lice point out, it seems as if Lee Gates, just being a good Samaritan, helped out an individual where him know. And just based on that action, it had deadly consequences. Seeing that after that event, Lee Gates was at a party, and that was where his life was taken. Now, P0lice also pointed out that there'd be no reason for Lee Gates to be engaged in criminal activity, even if it had to do with overseas money. Because Lee Gates was already making good money. And I agree with P0lice on that. Lee Gates was already making good money. And when I see the need for him to then get involved in a criminal activity for funds from overseas. Talk to me. Tell me what you think. Of course, condolences to the family of Lee Gates. And the reason again, my live, love and prosper, stay tuned. Share the video, like the video, and drop a comment in the comment section.